So hello everyone, this is Shreyas Raj, founder and CEO of Rapid XAI. I'll show you how to build a $10,000 AI voice agent. Now, I get often asked this question that how do I sell my AI services for more? And there are two options. The first one is build a personal brand, build a brand value, where if a person goes to you and says, I need this done, they'll pay you more just because they know you can do it well enough and you are good at this, you're proficient, you are exceptional, and you're great at whatever you do. But that wouldn't be the case for many of my beginner friends because again, building a brand value, it takes time. So in that case, you can provide more functionalities to your customers, and if you could couple more functionalities with a brand value, you will be banging bucks. So anyways, I'll just show you how to get the more functionality stuff. And yeah, so this is something I made for one of my clients. It is an AI voice agent platform. This blueprint contains different functionalities. I sold this one for, I say, 12k US dollars with a retainer of 6k. And yeah, this thing works. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward, and I'll be providing this to you guys for free because I'm fucking nice guy, and I want you guys to bang out bucks as soon as possible because I've been where you guys are, and yeah, you know how it works. So chop, let's get started. I won't take much of your time. This is the master webbook. This webbook you could just name any webbook. Just copy the address to clipboard because there are actually two scenarios which are like mainly used in this stuff. So yeah, we've added this only. Now I won't click on this because there is my VAPI bearer token in that. I don't want to expose it, but yeah, there are two options. One is for VAPI bearer token, another is for master hook URL. So what you can do is you can add the just copied URL there, and you could just start with that. I cannot expose that because I know some of you bastards would drain out every cent from my credit card. So yeah, anyways, then we have this create a spreadsheet module. This spreadsheet would be later used to store all the available data or all the extracted data from the call. Then we have refresh connection. So it would just add rows like phone number, full name, email. So this scenario, this part, it goes through the complete process of making a spreadsheet, naming a spreadsheet, like without any human intervention. That's great. So a new spreadsheet is made every time you run this. So you only have to run this once, and then you just get every, like, all the good stuff. Like, it's just the spreadsheet is ready to use. It's just ready to fire. So we get that. Then we have create tool set meeting. So yeah, it's your VAPI bearer token. I just don't want to expose this because again it would be a pain in the ass later on. You have create tool get available. So it's again VAPI bearer token. So there's nothing you need to change here. In the end, you'll get something. There would be a bubble. You'll get a bubble here. Oh wait, I'll just run this just to show you guys how this works. I'll run this. So it will go through all the stuff. We made a few spreadsheet, and then in the end we'll get a bubble which contains all the required credentials like tool IDs, assistant ID, book a meeting tool ID, get availability tool ID, Google Sheets ID, master webbook. Yeah, this is all you need. Now this info could be used here. Now the same info could be found without this hassle. You could just remove all the scenarios and just manually pick out everything from VAPI and then put it in this scenario. But I think this is just much more convenient. And yeah, you are AI automation guys. You are not supposed to do stuff manually, at least in theory. So anyways, we are back here. Now here set variable. We just add the Google Sheet ID that we got from here. We copy this ID, paste it here, and we get the Google Sheets ready to go. Then at the same time, you have to connect your Google Sheets in all these three modules. Even here, even here, and even here. So yeah, there's 6 modules in total. You have to connect to Google Sheets account, and that's all you have to do. That's all. Then you have Business Cloud, this WhatsApp Business Cloud. So yeah, let me just explain you how this shit works. I'll be dropping the scenarios in the description. You guys could just copy paste it. But I wouldn't be spoon feeding you, telling you how to make this from ground up stuff like that. Because again, do your own research. So we start from Google Sheet. This stuff saves all the good stuff that we got from the call. So maybe it could be that why did the call went wrong, or what was the name of the caller, what was the phone number, what email did he provide. So this is all the good stuff that we have in these spreadsheets. Then we have Google Sheets again, but this time it's to get the assistant. So let's just say I am the same person calls back, or we send a call to someone. In that case, we would have their name as a variable, their background, their history, life history, stuff like that. So it just allows us to personalize the call even more. So instead of saying hey first name, it could say hey Joseph, hey Luna, hey Mary, stuff like that. So that's how. So this simply allows you to get I'd say variables inside the VAPI agent, so that VAPI could just address the person by its name. It just makes it all so much more personalized. So it's a great, I'd say, a great functionality. Then we have this check availability function. It's pretty self-explanatory. You have to edit a few stuff here. I think, yeah, currently bearer token, currently user ID, stuff like that. So yeah, you could be using that. It's currently list user busy time, and there's a webhook in the end. This webhook fires back to the VAPI agent, where the VAPI agent is instructed that this time is not available, choose another time. Then if by a chance the time is available, then you'll set a Google Meet, and then via the WhatsApp Business Cloud, you'll send a reminder message, or just a message to the person, to the person that is given phone number. So that's just a great functionality too. The last functionality, however, for this you would need your own website. So this is a kind of a lead form where the person could like type out his information just in case he needs a demo for my voice assistant, stuff like that. In that case, this assistant would uh, call the person from this lead form, the call lead, that's what it says. So whenever we get the data from the person, we just call the person, and then here's just like after calling the person, there's this thing allows the agent to remember what was the conversation about. So it remembers the time of the conversation, what conversation she or he had with the user, and it's all saved in a spreadsheet. So yeah, this is some great as functionality for you guys. I'll be dropping this JSON in the description. Let me know if you find this useful. Only things that you need to change are edit this module. You add everything that you need. So get avail tool ID. Good, yeah. So again, I forgot something else. You have to make tools. If that's not something that is self-explanatory, so yeah, you have to make tools. And we have book meeting tool, check avail tool, get. So I just made a bunch of tools, but you only need two tools, and the tools should correspond with with the VAPI assisted in the script. So it should actually be like book meeting and check avail. So these two tools are there in the script. Ensure that you keep the tool name in the script. That way it's easier for the agent to refer to the tool whenever it needs to call the tool. In the functions, you add the tool. And yeah, for the check avail function, you add a property called time. That time property would be used to ensure that the user provided time is available or not. Then we have book meeting tool. It should contain name, email, phone number, and date and time of the appointment. That's all. So yeah, that's how we create these two tools in advanced. Yeah, and just to finish it off, this master webhook URL, you copy this, it would go inside. Instead, I'd say in the settings, uh, there's a server URL part where you have to just put it. So yeah, you'll just put it here, and yeah, that should work. So yeah, anyways, this was all. Thanks for watching, and yeah, let me know if you need anything. DMs are always open, and yeah, ping me if you face any issue, because this thing, it's a complex one. I know guys are gonna bang your head against the wall for a few days to get this work. It took me almost a month to build this up. So yeah, I mean that's genuine. That's gonna happen. Anyways, thanks for watching, and yeah, let me know if you need anything. Peace.